Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to qualify for a PayPal working capital loan. I've been a small business owner relying on PayPal for sales for a while, and getting approved for working capital was a goal for me. This isn't a traditional bank loan. It's more like a cash advance, and your qualification is almost entirely based on your PayPal sales history. That's the key takeaway right there. So, how do you make sure you look like the ideal candidate? First, you absolutely need to meet the minimum account requirements. Based on my experience and what PayPal outlines, your PayPal business or Premier account must be open for at least 90 days. Simple as that, you need to have an established relationship with them. Second, and this is the big one, you need consistent sales volume. PayPal wants to see proof that you have reliable income flowing through their system. The current requirement is that you must process a minimum of $15,000 in annual sales if you have a business account, or $20,000 if you have a Premier account. The higher and more consistent your sales volume is, the better your loan offer will be. You see, they base the loan amount and the fixed fee on that sales history. If your sales have been great for the past year, your eligibility and the amount you can borrow will reflect that. So, focus on driving as many sales as possible through your PayPal account, and do it consistently, not just a huge spike once a year. Third, keep your PayPal account in good standing. This means no issues, no limitations, and no open cases. A clean account history shows you are a reliable, low-risk business partner. If you had any previous PayPal working capital loans, you must have paid them off in full before you can apply for a new one. Here's the part one love. There is no personal credit check. This is fantastic if your personal credit score isn't perfect, but your business is thriving. They are looking at your business health within their platform. The application process itself is quick and takes place right inside your PayPal account. If you meet the criteria, you'll see the option available. You select the amount you want to borrow and the repayment percentage that will be automatically deducted from your future PayPal sales. Choosing a higher repayment percentage will often lower the fixed fee you pay, but be careful that you can manage the impact on your daily cash flow. It's a trade-off you need to calculate carefully. To sum it up, longevity with your account, consistent high sales volume through PayPal, and a clean account history are the pillars to getting approved and securing the best terms. Focus on those three things. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.